Alright, we got a little slide gate action going on here. You see, I got my truck unloaded, gate operator on the back, and truck. You've seen a truck before. So we got a slide gate here. Great fence company, L&C Fence here in Dallas. Put it in and to their standard, which they have a very high standard. So I'm going to put in AllOMatic SL100 DC FP. So DC, battery backup, FP, foot pedal, and SL100 is the model. They've got these brushless motors which last forever and a day. And as you can see, the first thing that I did is I put my UL325 signs up. And one little trick with these is you get you a level. I just use these wood screws. They're the thickness of a 1x6 picket. And I just screw them in, no big trick to them. But what I do is I get them where I want left to right and just screw one of them in. And then when I screw that one in, I put the level on top and then get it level, and then I screw the second one in. But I only put two in. That's generally more than enough. On the metal gate, you may want to put all four in so it doesn't rattle as much. But on a wood gate, that's more than fine. And then as you can see, I got it level left to right and up and down. One of the reasons why I've liked putting in the signs is because it allows me to put the manual up right away. And one of the things I do with my customers is I take all the manuals and put them in this case, the manual with the gate operator. So now I can put this to the side, and when I'm talking to a customer, I can ask them to write down any numbers or anything they need on there. I have it, and if that's not the case, I can give it to them and they can look at the information while I'm actually putting in the gate operator. So we'll leave that out for the customer if he's interested. And that's what we got today. We got a 20-foot gate, and it's going to be a pretty easy install.